Hey there, my name is Alex, and I want to share a tool that I made for configuring Windows 10 and Windows Server. It's a PowerShell script called Cleaner10 and can be found at cleaner10.io. There are several pre-configured presets to choose from, or you can customize it to your needs. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a customized version that I would use to clean and configure my personal computer if I were to reinstall Windows 10 on it today. With Cleaner10, this process will take an hour or two instead of a whole day. For the demonstration, I am using a Windows 10 version 2004 virtual machine, but Cleaner10 is compatible with Windows 10 version 1803 and newer. Let's get started. First, go to cleaner10.io. I'm going to select the options, configurations, and software I need, and then I'll download the script. I want to decrapify, clear the start menu. I don't want Cortana, I don't want OneDrive, and I don't want the tablet mode functionality. I personally disable the firewalls, and I want all of these options disabled and Windows Update or Microsoft Update enabled. I'll be creative and call the computer Cleaner10. And I'm going to add a network drive to this location. And I want to ping it on logon. I want to set the default power plan to high performance. And I want to schedule a power plan change Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. to balanced, and another power plan change Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. back to high performance. I don't need to schedule a rebuild of the search index, and I don't need to do a restart. I do want to set everyone as the permission on the E drive, visible right here. And I'm going to leave the SSL settings to default, even though I would like to set them to strict. The problem with strict is certain software has trouble connecting to its servers, and it seems to mostly afflict gaming software. So in this case, I will leave it to default, and I'll change my time zone to Arizona. Next, I want Chrome, Microsoft 365, Firefox, iTunes, Media Player Classic, VLC, Discord, Skype. I'm going to skip Creative Cloud, even though I do want it, just for the interest of time. I want Blender, OBS, Typora, Battle.net, Origin, GOG, Steam, AWS tools for Windows, the .NET Core 3.1 SDK, .NET Framework 4.8 SDK, GitHub, HackFont, SQL Server Management Studio, and all of these utilities. Before downloading, I am going to uncheck restoring the execution policy to default because I actually do want to leave it unrestricted, but generally this should be left checked. Download and save. Before running the script, I need to change the execution policy to unrestricted. Now I'm going to run the script and wait for it to complete. Windows will restart several times during the process, and I'll be back when it's done. And it's done. Let's do any final cleanup that wasn't covered by the script. Lastly, let's look at some of the more advanced configurations that the script performed. We'll start with the scheduled tasks. So here is the scheduled task to ping the A drive on logon. And then here's the scheduled tasks to switch to balanced and high performance power plants during these times. Next, let's look at the mapped network drive. Here it is. And the permissions on the E drive set to everyone only. And that's it. I hope this demonstration has shown how Cleaner10 can be useful in cleaning and configuring a Windows 10 and Windows Server installation, and I hope you'd be willing to give it a try. Thanks for watching.